Sorry, Yummies. Will my hiccups go? They'll go soon.
Mimo is right. Hiccups don't last long. Maybe the Yummies can help you.
Or come and help us.
Flitterbugs. Look at them twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, we're yummy-sized. Yummy-sized.
Come join us. We're washing fruit for yummy smoothies.
I like the tinkly sound of the water. Tinkly.
Oh, BaBa, we'd forgotten about those hiccups.
If BaBa forgets about the hiccups, they might go away.
You're right, Mimo. Maybe we can help BaBa think about something else.
Oh, look, BaBa. Here comes your yummy smoothie.